child arrangements orders have replaced court orders previously called residence and contact orders, and before that, access and custody. A child arrangements order sets out the arrangements for who a child should live with, who they spend time with and have other types of contact with, and when. A court order isn't always needed unless the parties are in dispute. There's usually no need for a court order to be made. As such, lots of families make arrangements between themselves. Sometimes parents are supported by solicitors or mediators in negotiating an agreement, and sometimes families need to call upon the court for help. The court has a no-order principle, which means that it will not make an order unless it is in the children's best interests to do so. More information about who can apply and how can be found on our website. There's no standard formula or typical arrangement for children. Every child and family is different. Each family's situation is resolved on its own facts with reference to the welfare of the particular child or children. However, in our experience, there are some arrangements that work well for many families. They might be alternating weekends. This means that both parents have the opportunity to spend a full weekend with their child on a regular basis. Midweek, if a parent is seeing a child every other weekend, it can be common for them to have additional time with the child during the weekdays when the child is with the other parent. 50-50. Some families share time equally. It might be 3 days with one parent, 4 days with the other, or 1 week with one parent and 1 week with the other. If families have an arrangement like this, the parents usually live fairly close to each other and the child's nursery or school and friendship groups. There can be extended time during school holidays. This is a regular arrangement with parents often sharing holiday time equally if their work commitments permit. Special days can be shared, such as additional time on Mother's Day and Father's Days are often allocated to the relevant parent. Children may want to spend some time with each parent on their birthdays, logistics of course permitting. Christmas and New Year are often alternated to enable the children to enjoy time with each of their parents regularly. However, this is not a blueprint and does not work for every family. What is important is a routine for the children to follow, clarity and reaching an arrangement that both parents can commit to. It is also worth remembering that as a child gets older, arrangements may need to be reviewed or adjusted. No, father's rights are as important as those of the mother. The assumption is that a child should have a relationship with both parents, and how a child spends their time with each parent is based on that child's best interests. Seek early legal advice and consider whether non-court options may help, for example mediation, or whether a court application is going to be needed. More information about going to see a solicitor or considering non-court options is available on our website.